I'm gonna clean the chicken coop today. It's a little warm. It's too cold outside, but got too much poops in there. I have to remove it and give them a fresh bedding. And my friend here, she's curious. She wants to go out, and I can't let her go out. It's too cold to do that. Yep. So what I'm gonna do is save that chicken waste and bedding, remove it and put it in a small container and give it to the worms later so they could work on it or compost it. Okay, I cannot see it. I see nothing in there. It's too dark. Okay, I'm gonna take all that stuff out and hopefully that's all we need to do today. Since it's okay, I'm gonna replace all that bedding. Another fresh bedding for them. Okay, get back to you in a few when I'm done. Okay, I took as much as I can to get it cleaned up. All the mess. Oops, you got piles and piles of it. So now I only got 2 chickens. I'm gonna go and get a fresh hay mixed with straw and leave it here for them. Okay, that's it. We should be done cleaning the coop, the top coop, that's where they sleep. That's their sleeping quarter. And they're supposed to be laying eggs also here in this basket, but they don't. They lay it on the floor everywhere. Right now they don't give me any eggs for the last, since October, November, December, January, February, nothing yet. So they were molting, and now there's a car alarm going. So maybe they'll start laying eggs soon. Talk to you in a sec. Why is it? Okay, all done. I put a fresh straws and hay mixed together, and there's a nesting container, and I put a what do you call it, a wooden egg in there. Maybe they'll make them jealous and start laying some eggs. I hope so. I haven't seen eggs for a long time from those guys. Alright, thanks a lot. Please subscribe, share, and I appreciate your time. Bye.